Hi, today I want to show you how to edit a link to a Google Doc item in order to force the user to make a copy in their own Google Drive. This can be an excellent tool for you to have at your disposal, especially if you're trying to distribute, for instance, a template for an assignment, or perhaps a worksheet, or perhaps a piece of information, and you want to ensure that every student in your class or every person who clicks the link has a copy of that in their own Google Drive. So the first thing you need to do is either create the document, or in this case, I'm going to locate a document I've already created called "This is an Amazing Graphic Organizer." So when I locate my item, I'm going to open that in my Google Drive. The next thing I need to do is make sure to get the shared settings to the correct level where I want them to be shared. If you look in the upper right corner, my blue shared button right now has the lock sign, and it says it's private to only me. So I need to update that. Because I'm giving this to a broad group of people and not just specific people, I'm going to click on the Advanced button in the bottom right corner. Then I see here where it says Private Only You Can Access, and the change is a link. That's the piece I want to change. So I'm going to change that setting, and in this case, I'm going to make it anyone with the link can access. So I'm going to set that there. If you were doing this with students, specifically in school, you would be fine with the other setting as well. On Pinecrest School, anyone at Pinecrest School can find and access. Once I've selected the correct shared setting, I'm going to hit Save, and I'm going to hit Done. I can see that the icon in the shared button in the upper right corner has now changed to reflect the shared setting. So the next step is editing the URL. So if I look at the top where the URL is, it's highlighted in blue right now, I can see this long chain of letters and numbers. It's really kind of meaningless. But if you look all the way at the end, you can see this word edit. And that's the part that we are going to change to make our new link. So I'm actually going to click right there on the word edit. I'm going to hit backspace, and I'm going to replace it with the word copy. This is going to be my new URL. So now that it's written there, I'm going to copy it, and I'm going to prepare to paste it. So the first thing I would do is determine how I'm going to share this with my students. In this case, I'm going to go to our learning management system, and I'm going to open up course documents, and I'm going to add this as a link. It is the Amazing Graphic Organizer, and add. So when students click on this link, let me show you what will happen. I'm going to paste the link here. I'm going to hit enter. And this is what happens now. It asks me, would you like to make a copy of this amazing graphic organizer? And when I press make a copy, I will have one now in my personal Google Drive account. So the students can't view this document at all until they've already made a copy of it in their drive, which means that you've eliminated the step of having to make the copy and add it to their drive. All they've had to do is click the link, and now it's there. I hope that's a helpful tool for you. Enjoy.